Hi guys, this is our Indesit dishwasher, which we've had for probably 10 years or so now, maybe longer than that. Yes, maybe 18 years. Okay. It works okay. I mean, it's getting a bit old and worn, but the I don't know what we call that bit, but the sparkle cleaner, glass cleaner, that seems to leak, because when we switch it on, we always get that red light on, even when I've just refilled it. So I really don't want to do this because it'll probably end in tears. But I'm going to take the cover off this plate and have a look at the back. I'm hoping it's as simple as undo all these screws around the outside. So we'll have a look. I'll put the camera back. And I'll edit out the swearing, I expect. Oh, we could try this out. Yeah, this was a cheap rechargeable screwdriver I bought on AliExpress. I didn't need it, it was just something cheap to make up the numbers. Right, let's see if we can get in. Well, that's a good start. The screwdriver worked. Right. That one's longer. Short. That was a longer one. And the back started to come loose. Yeah, okay, well, we're nearly there. Nope. Going the wrong way. Longer one. Right, what's going to happen? Okay. Being as we've got it open now and we got the electronics there, I ought to remember to switch it off, shouldn't I? So back in a minute when I've turned the power off. All right, the power is actually down under there. I've unplugged it. So power is off. That's the thing I want to look at. and that appears to have plenty of liquid in it. And yet it registers as being empty. Okay, well, I'll have a closer look. This bit here, that actuator there, is the one that releases the tablet that goes just there, the washing tablet. But we're talking about this one here, which is not easy to get out. There we go. Which has got the, whatever they call it, liquid in it. And as I say, that one keeps registering as being empty. So it may be as simple as that little lever there. Is that the same thing? No, that's the lever that's... Right, a lever at the bottom of there, which we can't quite see. Not in focus anyway. Down under here. But it looks to me like what I'm looking at, this bit, looks like there's a float or something that measures the height. But I thought it might have been leaking. But the fact there's stuff in there, it's not leaking. All right, I'll put the camera down and have a closer look. Right, there's 2 screws on the outside here that'll allow me to pull that panel right off, so we've got full access in there. Well, that's better. Now we can see, like I say, that's clearly got liquid in it. So I'll have a closer look at it. Right, that actuator, I've just tested it. If you push it in, it releases that door as expected. Let's just do it from the other side. Yeah, there we go. That releases that door okay. And I'm guessing it must squirt the, whatever we call it, glass cleaner fluid out through there. Because it does something there. But this does look a bit gunky in there. But I don't expect there's an easy way to clean it. Obviously I can unscrew it, take it out, hopefully unplug it. While we're looking at the switches and buttons and whatever, that's the control panel there. And that there registers when you shut the door. So that tells that the door is shut. And obviously all those wires go underneath somewhere to something that does, well, it's probably a control unit in there somewhere. But we're not looking for that. We're just wondering why that keeps registering as empty. And it does look like it's gummed up, doesn't it? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.